The 60% wired mechanical gaming keyboard is designed for users who want a compact setup without giving up the feel of mechanical keys. With a 61 key layout, this keyboard takes up considerably less desk space than a traditional full-size design, making it a practical option for gaming desks, smaller work areas, or anyone who prefers a minimalist keyboard footprint. Its ultra-compact form also makes it easier to move or carry when a portable keyboard is useful. At the center of the design are blue mechanical switches, which are generally associated with a more pronounced and tactile typing experience. For users who enjoy distinct key feedback while gaming or typing, this type of switch can make each keystroke feel more deliberate. At the same time, the characteristic sound of blue switches may be something to consider for shared offices, bedrooms, or other environments where a quieter keyboard is preferred. The LED backlighting adds another useful feature to the compact design. It can make the key legends easier to see in lower light conditions, while also giving the keyboard a more gaming-oriented appearance. Since the keyboard uses a wired connection, there is no need to manage a wireless battery or charging routine, which keeps the setup straightforward for compatible computers. The biggest trade-off comes from the 60% layout itself. A 61-key keyboard is intentionally stripped down compared with larger keyboards, so users who regularly depend on a dedicated number pad or a more traditional arrangement may need to adjust to the compact format. For gaming and everyday typing, however, the smaller footprint can leave more room on the desk for a mouse and other accessories. Overall, this keyboard is best suited to someone looking for a simple mechanical gaming or office keyboard with blue switches, LED backlighting, and a highly compact 61-key layout. Its strengths are centered on portability, reduced desk space, mechanical key feedback, and a straightforward wired design, while the compact layout is the main consideration for anyone accustomed to a full-size keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.